I invite you officially to come to Paris and to participate as far as you can.
EWMA is recognized globally as being the premier wound care conference.
We are very excited and thrilled to bring to the community of wound managers all the news and interesting informations and communications that in this period has been put forward and realized.
The EWMA conference brings together science and scientific minds, where the educationalists can meet the clinicians, who can also meet those involved in the development of medical devices in wound care.
We will make our best to welcome our friends and colleagues coming from all Europe and the rest of the world.
So welcome again to EWMA.
We look forward to seeing you in Paris.